The magic hands of the world. Talented makeup masters. Stars of congresses and competitions. Woolop's angels. Beautify the day and night. The air and the soil. With your inspiration from nature, with your ability, with your beauty, with your naivety, you deserve this beautiful holiday the most. In October, Woolop 2021, Antalya, Turkey, the contestants first enjoy a pleasant holiday with their families. Then show their talents with the excitement of the competition. Woolop 2021 comes with surprises.